So we did Radha yesterday. Okay. So Ujjwal Prabhu, you can recite forms of Rama.
Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Ramam, Rame, Ramaha, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramavihi, Ramayai, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyah, Ramayah, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyah, Ramayah, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Ramayam, Ramayoho, Ramasu, Rame, Rame, Hey Rame, Hey Rame, Hey Ramaha.
And Lokaram Prabhu for the word Sita.
Sitaha, Site, sorry, Sita, Site, Sitaha, Sitam, Site, Sitaha, Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sita Bhihi. Sitayai, Sitabhyam, Sitabhyah. Sitayah, Sitabhyam, Sitabhyah. Sitayah, Sitayoho, Sita, Sitanam. Sitayam, Sitayoho, Sitasu. He Site, He Site, He Sitaha.
Right. Okay. Next word in the same series, Aramant, is Amba, and so on. Ambadinam Gopyascha Vamano Buddhi. Both the final varna of the Ambadis. Amba Adi are Amba, Akka, Allah, Appa, and Abba. As far as I understand, they all mean mother. So the final varna of Ambadis and the final varna of a Gopi become Vamana when Buddha follows. So Amba Yuktasu, when we have Buddha, so it becomes Amba. I think in Bhagavatam, even Krishna, he addresses Mother Yashoda as Amba. If you remember, I think somewhere in yes, here it is, 10:8:35. Naham bhakshitavan amba. You know, when everyone was accusing Krishna that he has eaten earth, mud. So Krishna was saying, Naham bhakshitavan amba, sarve mithya vishangsina. Actually, this shloka can be understood in two meanings. Just, a side point. If we do anvaya of just, these two lines, two padas. So one simple way, straight way is, Hey Amba, O mother, aham na bhakshitavan. I have not eaten, and in brackets, the mud, earth. Sarve mithya abhishangsinaha. Everyone is speaking lie. But second variant can be, Hey Amba, aham bhakshitavan. I have eaten the mud. Sarve mithya na abhishangsinaha. All of them, they are not speaking lie. They are speaking truth. Did you get it?
Yes.
Quite interesting. Just a flip in Anvaya and the lie becomes truth, the truth becomes lie.
So he is not speaking lie then.
Means it's like a double meaning statement from Krishna. means so it was very nice, like I heard from my teacher. Okay, so yes, amba, then akka, allah, appa, abba. They say Allah in another religion, Allah. I think it's from here, if I'm not wrong. Appa. I think in Tamil or Telugu they say
Tamil,
something.
Tamil
I'm
appa
sorry?
means father. Appa means father.
Okay.
And akka means sister.
Uh-huh. So yes, like that. So different relatives. And Abba, in Muslim means they say Abba Jan. They say Abba Jan to their father, Abba Jan. So it's Abba. So like that, Ambadinam Gopyashcha Vamano Buddhi. Then Jaraya Jaraswa Sarveshware. The word Jara, so I think you're getting the style, the pattern of Jiva Goswami, the Harinamamrit. What he does is, initially, he, first of all, he's covering all the words in a sequence, like beginning from a, then a, e, and so on. And when there is an exception or special rule to some special word in that particular category, then afterward he introduces those. So in this case, we studied Radha word, Tatrabanta Lakshmi Radha Sangya. That was the key word, main word. And the words which take different special specific forms here and there with some pratyas and so on, then Jiva Goswami is introducing them after the main one. So this is the general pattern in the whole book. So now Jara word is taken. Jara. Jaraya Jaraswa Sarveshware. The word Jara is optionally replaced by Jaras when a Vishnu Bhakti beginning with the Sarveshwara follows, which means when it is not Sarveshwara, then normally we'll deal with it, like in Radha. Otherwise, we'll optionally replace it by with Jaras. So Jara Yukta Su is Jara, and Jara Yukta Au. One time Radha Brahmabhyam Au E, Jare, and one time it is replaced by Jaras. So Jarasau, and so on. So one time it will go like Radha Shabda, and one time wherever Sarveshwara is there in the beginning of a Vishnu Bhakti, then Jaras will take place. Now here what they have done is, like some, they say the form should be Jarasi. Jarasi in 1.2 means like O is replaced by E in the beginning, and then Jara is replaced by Jaras. So it becomes Jarasi. So it's not Jarasi guy. Maybe Jarasi has come from here. Have you heard the name Jarasi guy? They say Desi guy and Jarasi guy.
No.
Okay, Jersey means English cow. It's not Indian cow or.
Oh, Jersey. I
Yeah, means in India they say Jersey.
see. Yeah. I get it now. Jersey guy.
Yeah,
I understand.
Jersey guy. How do you spell in English?
It's Jersey.
Okay. So in India it's like Jersey. So maybe it's from here. I don't know. So like that, it's the giraffe form. Then अत्र निशा नासिकयोर निश नसावादेशौ यदुषु वा वाच्यौ. In this connection, the words Nisha and Nasika are optionally replaced by Nish and nas respectively when the yadus follow. So again, it will go one time like Radha Shabda, Nisha, Nishe, Nisha, Nisham, Nishe, Nisha, ityadi. And when Yadus are following, then optionally they'll be replaced by Nish and Nas, and then they will be joined with the Pratyas. So 3.1 will be Nisha, oh, okay, Nishaha, Nisha, and this one will be coming ahead. So, which will make Nij Bhyam. So we'll skip this one. So like that, Nishaha, Nisha, and Nishe 4.1, 5.1 will be Nishaha, 6.1 Nishaha, 6.2 Nishaho, 6.3 Nisham, 7.1 Nishi, ityadi. Similarly with Nas, 2.3 Nasaha, 3.1 Nasa, Nase, 5.1 Nasaha, 6.1 Nasaha, Nasoho, Nasam, Nasi, ityadi. So like this. This form will be made ahead, and even this one, these two. They are all same, few changes here and there in some specific words. So nasa, nase, nasaha, nasaha, nasoho, nasam, ityadi. Okay, so now the next one is bhakti. This is Vamana e Ramanta in Lakshmi Linga. We did Vamana e Ramanta in Purushottam Linga, and the word was Hari Shabda. E u Ramanta Hari Sangya. But here it is Vamana in Lakshmi Linga. So Bhakti Yukta, so Bhakti, so first of all Bhakti, and then what else? Bhakti, Bhakti, Bhaktaya, Bhakti, Bhakti. So till 2.2 it is similar. Bhakti, Bhakti, because Radha Brahmabhyam au E. No. Wait a minute. What happened? How did Bhakti become?
It says here it's just like the Haris
Okay, yeah.
for when the Pandavas follow.
So Harita o Purva Savarna. So Bhakti, Bhakti, Bhaktaya, Bhakti, Bhakti. Then 2.3 is we don't change it to Narama because that was Punsi and it is not Punsi. It is Trilinga. So Bhakti. And due to the phrase Na to Lakshmyam in Sutra 182, what was that Sutra? Ta.
Haritashtana Natu Lakshmyam.
So because of Natu Lakshmyam, it's not Bhaktina, it's Bhaktya. Bhaktya Ekaya Grahya, as it is there in Bhagavatam. So this is Bhaktya. Bhakti Bhyam, Bhakti Bhi, and then comes the Vrishnis. Harita Apva Vrishnishu Lakshmyam Nityam Gopyaha. So for Radha Shabda, we had the sutra Radha Toya Vrishnishu Natu. What was the sutra? Radha Toya Vrishnishu. That's all?
Yeah, Radha Toya Vrishnishu.
So in this case, we have Harita Apva Vrishnishu Lakshmyam Nityam Gopyaha. Ap is optionally applied after a Hari in the feminine gender when the Vrishnis follow. Hari Angita Vrishni Sangya. But it is always applied after a Gopi when the Vrishnis follow. So when Hari Shabda follow in feminine gender is there and Vrishnis follow, so it's optionally applied. The Ap. Optionally applied generally automatically means we will have two forms. One when there is no Ap applied, one when Ap is applied. But when the Gopi Sangya will come ahead, then Ap will be applied permanently when the Vrishnis will be following. So, okay, so 4.1 Bhakti Yukta Nge. So when Ap is applied, so Bhakti Yukta Ap Yukta Nge. 1 minute. 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 Yes. So idvameva sarveshware edvai bhaktyai. 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 Yes. And one time it is we do Hare Govindo Jasi Vrishneshu Buddhecha A I Bhaktaye, like Haraye. So Bhaktyai, Bhaktaye, either of the forms can be there. Bhaktibhyam, Bhaktibhyah, and then Bhaktyah, when we apply up, one time it is Bhakte, so Bhaktyah, Bhakte, Bhaktibhyam, Bhaktibhyah, Bhaktya, Bhakte, Bhaktyoh, Bhaktinam, Bhaktinam, this is Vamana Gopi Radha Bhihonudami, this is Vamana, note, ityadi. Then Niradhavyam Geram, Bhaktyam, like here we have, now it is, yes, this is Radha. So Niradhavyam Geram, yes, because Aap is applied, right? So the sutra was Radha to Yap, no. Tatra Anta Lakshmi Radha Sangya. So Aap Ant, this is Aap Ant. So it is becoming Aap Anta here. So that's why we apply Radha to Ni Radha Ram, then Bhaktyam. And in this case, we had Harito Ne Rauch, Bhaktau. So, and Bhaktyo Bhaktishu, He Bhakte, like He Hare, we applied Hare Govinda Vrishneshu, Hare Govinda Jasi Vrishneshu Buddhecha, then E Ovamane Buddhasya Darshanam, Bhakte. So Bhakti, Bhakti, Bhaktaya, Bhakti, 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 then two forms. Okay, Bhaktya, Bhaktivyam, Bhaktivi, Bhaktaye, Bhaktyai, Bhaktivyam, Bhaktivya, ityadi. This is simple only when the Vrishni follows Vrishnis, then only they take two forms. Otherwise, it's like Hari Shabda. Mostly. Was that clear?
Yes, this is so nice because, you know, when I was studying these things through a primer, it just becomes so overwhelming to just have to memorize this with no rationalization behind it. And now it's like, oh, it's so much more just clear. And knowing the, you know, the kind of guts underneath it, it's very cool.
Here, Nito Vrishnishu, so should be, oh, I see, okay. That last one is Sambodhana. I thought it's Saptami. Okay.
Okay, one you asked in the group that question that why in Sudhi Yukta Su that Radha Vishnu Janabhyam Ipasya Trivikrana Swarhara is not applied, right? Because Sudhi is not made by applying ip. It's naturally there, Sudhi.
So, but it is applied in other cases, like one.
Yeah, like for example, like the word is Gopa. So we apply ip pratyay, then it becomes Gopi. And words like that, you know. But Sudhi is not that case, so we will not accept that sutra there.
So the sutra I was talking about is Sudhi Bhuhor Yi Bhuva Veva 198.
Oh, okay. That is in the case when Sarveshwara, Pratyay with the Sarveshwara in the beginning follows. So Su, there is no Sarveshwara.
But that is not mentioned in the sutra, right, Prabhuji?
But what I understand is, means not all the times the same thing is mentioned. Anuvritti, Sarveshwar is Anuvritti in that series. Anuvritti means it is said in the beginning and that has to carry over, you know, bring forward. So you may please again check. There has to be Sarveshwara to apply that. Year and over.
195 there is Sarveshwara Bahulam, but if we carry over, we have to carry over both Sarveshwara and Bahulam. No, the sutras.
Again, you are dragging to the same series. We are holding that series for the time being. So you may just mark the question. We'll come back there.
Sure, Guru.
Okay. Okay, now it's the words buddhi, mati, bhuti, kriti, dhriti, ruchi. They are declined in the same way as bhakti. Okay, any volunteer? Okay, mati, whole word, the whole table.
Mati, Matayah, He Mate. Oh, no. So,
Okay.
I forgot someone the second one. Matim, Mate, Matihi, Matya, Matinam, Matibihi, Matyai,
Huh?
Matye,
Okay.
Mat, Mat, Matyai, Mataye, Matibhyam, Matibhyah, Mat, two forms again comes. Matyaha Matehe, Matibhyam, Matibhyah, Matyaha Matehe, Matyoho, Matinam, Matyam, Matau, Matyoho, Matishu.
Hemate,
He Mate, He Mate, He Mati,
Mati,
Mati.
ओजस्वी
हाँ प्रभु जी।
राधा शब्द सुनाएंगे?
हाँ।
सुनाइए।
राधा, राधे, राधायाः,
नहीं,
राधाम,
राधा,
राधे,
राधा राधे राधा।
हाँ, राधा राधे राधाः, राधाम राधे राधाः, राधया राधाभ्याम राधाभिः, राधायै राधाभ्याम राधाभ्यः, राधायाः राधाभ्याम राधेभ्यः,
राधा,
राधा प्रभु जी।
राधाभ्यः, राधेभ्यः नहीं, राधाभ्यः।
हाँ, राधाभ्यः, फिर राधायाः राधाभ्याम राधाभ्यः, फिर
राधायाः,
राधायाः राधयोः राधानाम, फिर राधायाम राधयोः राधासु, हे राधे हे राधे हे राधा।
अच्छा। Okay, so we'll stop here for grammar and now time for some test. Which acharya would you like to give test on?
Sridhar,
Whichever one is the easiest font to read.
usually I
No.
find Swami's commentary a little easier to understand.
Whichever
Okay,
font
let's
is
go.
clearest. That's the hardest thing for me. It's like, oh, that's printed so badly.
Okay. Akkad bakkad bamme bo. Let's randomly open something. Whichever comes, okay? So don't catch me now. Okay, so I didn't choose any particular acharya. So it's just here. You are able to see the screen, right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
So who would like to volunteer first? So we will notice two things. One is sandhi, all the sandhis because we have done, and the words means because we have at least the Purushottam, Sarveshwaranta Purushottam Linga Shabdas. So two things we'll be noticing. And we will be giving points out of 10. So we begin with Ujjwal Prabhu, okay. From Nanu.
Okay. Nanu vikara shrayatva rupam. Vikara ashraya. Dashavatara ekatmake militvatri vikramaha. Vikara shrayatva rupam. Mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane. Karanatvam Mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane. Now, should I stop and do the forms or do all the sandhis and then go back and do the vibhaktis? How would you prefer?
So maybe you can complete a full sentence and then you can do the vibhaktis.
Okay, that's what I was also thinking. Nirvikaratvam. This nir pratyaya, ni pratyaya, I was a bit confused about exactly how it works. Is it that
first of
it's
all-
nis and then becomes by Sararamayor Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Padante somehow,
First of
and
all,
then it becomes.
it is not a pratyaya, it's upsarga.
Sorry,
like-
I meant to say upasarga.
I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So, prati, upangati vinchadanesh, praparapa samanvava nirdurvi. Actually, originally it is nir with ra.
And then it does this what Anishwarad Apira Ramajaha.
Yes.
Okay.
Prabhu, we will be covering Upasargas later in our.
Yes, they will be coming up, I think, in this chapter or in the next one. Jiva Goswami gives a shloka. He turns it into a shloka of 20 upasargas. Praparapa samanvava nirdurabhi prati upaangiti vingshati. You know, that Totaka Chanda. So it's very nice to memorize.
Yeah, that's
So-
great. Okay, yeah, I was just curious about that because whenever I come across, sometimes it changes, like sometimes it becomes a Visarga, sometimes we even see it as a Sarama, and I was just wondering. Okay, so it's originally Nir, and then it's this Anishwaradapi Ramajaha, transforms it back into Ra. Okay, so Nirvikaratvam Mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane Chetyubhayam Cha iti ubhayam. Cha iti advayam idvaya a and ityubhayam idvayam eva yaha sarveshware ubhayam mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane Paraspara Viruddham. So this is Paraha, and then what happens there?
It's just one
I don't
word.
know what's happening there. It's just one word, huh?
Yes.
But it is a combination of that twice, isn't it?
Basically, this Viruddham is made in Kridanta chapter.
Yeah.
Like we have Ruddha Dhatu, Ruddha, and then we have Ta Pratyek. And when we combine both of them, so it turns into Ruddha.
Yeah, it's a past participle.
Yes.
That I understand. I was just thinking para among one another. Paraha. And I don't know how. I guess it must be. I guess it's just never declined because it's not at the end of a word, or not declined, but it doesn't turn into a visarga because it's not at the end of the word. So
Actually,
it's just para.
many words they are called nipat. Nipata means that we cannot grammatically, evaluate words, but it's just, just nipata. We just impose that this is the word and we have to use it.
Yeah, I understand.
So some words are like that.
Okay, so paraspara viruddham mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane katam ekasmin uchyate. So this is Vamanat Ngarnana Dvihi Sarveshware because ekasmin and uchyate, and we have the dvitvam of this nakara because there is an before, a vamana before, and a sarveshwara following. Iti chet shrinu tavat ishvara pradhanayoho. Nothing there. Swarupam edaha. Swarupa bhedaha.
Yeah.
Nothing there. Sarva siddhanta sampratipanaha. So this sampratipanaha, that's more Vishnu Chakram, Vishnu Jane. And we could apply this Vishnu Chakra Sahari Venor Vishnu Varge Vishnu Padantasya Tuva there, but it hasn't been done here. Sarva Siddhanta Siddha Anta Dashavatara Ekatmake Milita Trivikramaha. And that's a sentence. Should I stop there?
Okay.
Pratipana. Yeah, that's okay. Vikarashrayatva rupam. So this is rupa or rupa plus Dashavatarar amshaswar aramaharaha rupa rupam. Karanatvam is the same thing. Karanatva plus Same thing with nirvikaratvam and ubayam and virudham. Ekasmin, I can't do anything with ekasmin because it's a sarvanama or krishnanama. Uchyate is a verb. Iti chet shrinu is a verb. Tavat ishvara pradhana yoho. This I can do something with. Pradhana plus os krishnasya a o c. So pradhane plus os, and then ai pradhanayos sararamayor Vishnu sarga Vishnu padante pradhanayoho swarupa vedaha bheda.
So this
plus
is 6.2 or 7.2 Ishvara Pradhanayo.
It could be either one, but
Yeah,
from
okay.
context, we'd have to find out, and I don't know.
Okay, we won't go into that.
So Swarupa Beda plus Su. Tatra Jata Shangapa Ita Uscha Soham said Ishcha. So Swarupa Bedas, and then Sararamayor Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Padante Bhedaha. Sarva Siddhanta Sam Pratipanaha is the same thing as Swarupa Beda. Pana plus Su, and Tatra Jata Shangapa Ita Uscha Soham said Ishcha, and then Panas and Sararamaya Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Padante.
Okay. Yes. Great. So next is Vijay Prabhu.
So, Tata Jiva Ishvara Yoho Api. So your Jiva Ishvara Advayam Dvaye and Ishvara Yoho Api. Your Anishwarat Api Ramaja, that is one thing. Ishwarat Raha Sarveshware.
Ra Ishvarat Sarveshwara Gopala.
Ishwarat Sarveshware.
Sarveshwara Gopala Yoha.
Sorry, Prabhuji. Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara. Sharam Vishnu Chakra Vishnu Jane. Pradhanam Amrita Aksharam. So Pradhanam Amrita Aksharam Tada Dashavatara. Okay, that's the first word I was looking for. Dashavatara Ekatmaki Militva Trivikramaha and Aksharam Mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane Haraha Sharat Manavi Shate Sharat Manam Avishate. Dasavatara Ekatmaki Militva Trivikramaha.
What is that again?
Ksharat Kshara Atmanam Vishate.
There is no Atmanam.
Atma. Oh, okay. Kshara Atmana Vishate. Atmana.
This is interesting.
Kshara Atmana. I could understand. Atmana. I'm thinking.
No lifeline yet.
So I will come back to that, Prabhuji.
Okay. Sure.
Vishate Deva Ekaha. There's nothing there.
There is
Deva
something there.
Devaha Ekaha. Here, I know this Gopala and this thing is coming. So Adrama Gopalayoru.
No, not that one.
Gopyo Lopyaha. Okay. So Ekaha Pradhana Aksha Akshetra Nyapatir Guneshah. Pradhana Kshetra is there. Pradhana Kshetra Kshetragya. Pradhana Kshetragya Pati. Pradhana Kshetragya Pati. Pati. So that becomes Raha Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayoho Guneshah. Sakaranam Mo Vishnu Chakram Vishnu Jane Karanadi Adipo Karana Adipadi Paha Karana Adip Karana or Karana. Is there a word Karana? Not sure.
Yeah, Karana is a word.
The Tritiya, is it? Karana.
Means here, Karana is simple a word. It's not Tritiya or something.
I see. Okay. So Karana Adi Padi, that is the Savatara Ekatmika Militva Trivikrama, Adipadi Paha. So here Adrama Gopalayoru Nityam. Naha. So here no, Naha, it's not Naha, it's not, because there is no Gopala here. Chasya, na Chasya, na Cha Asya. So the Savatara Ekatmaka Militva Trivikramaha. Kashchit Janitaha. So Kashchit becomes Datau Paravarano Lachata Vargeshu Nityam. Kashchit Janitaha. So Advaya Boboga Gopya Lopyaha.
Actually, it's just Janita. There is no Visarga, Vishnu Sarga.
Janita is a feminine word, is it?
No. Janita is a dhatu here. From Janita, 1 minute. Janitri. Okay, it's a word actually. Like Pita, Pitri from Pitta. So it's Janitri, Janita.
Oh, Janitri, Janita. I see. Okay. Janita. Na Cha Adipaha. Cha Adipaha. Cha Adipaha. I'm not sure Adipaha is a word. I can use dictionary, Prabhuji.
Yes. It's Adhipa.
Adipa. Okay. Savatara Ekatmaka Militva Trivikramaha. Okay. This part is done. Tatha is Avyayam. Jiva Ishwarayoho. Okay. Ishwarayoho. So here Krishna's AOC. Then so it becomes Krishna's AOC. Then Sharam. Api is also Avyayam. Sharam. Kshara. If you take Kshara, Then we have this is Brahmalingam, right? We didn't study it.
Yeah, I think so. Sharan is Brahmani.
Pradhanam Amrita Aksharam. Pradhanam Amrita Aksharam. Pradhana is also Brahmalinga. Yeah, Brahmalinga. And Amrita Aksharam. Aksharam is also Brahmalinga. Because okay. This is the Visheshana. One is Pradhanam is the Visheshana. Haraha. Hara is Pumsakalingam. Okay. So Hara plus Su. You have.
You can just say 1.1, 2.1 like that.
I don't need to say the sutras.
No, you can just say the numbers 1.1, 2.1, something, whatever it is.
Okay, this 1.1.
Hmm.
Shara Atman. So this one I don't know, Prabhuji. Shara Atmana Visheshate. Atmana Visheshate.
Okay. Any help? I mean, anyone?
I think it's ksharatma now, ishate, and
Yes,
then
yes.
out of.
I see.
So it's dual kshara and atma
Atma.
now is the dual form of atman.
Yes.
Ksharatma now, ishate.
This how is sometimes very confusing. Okay. How? Okay. So then we have
It can be either 1.2 or 2.2.
2 point. Oh, okay. 2.2 or 2.2. Vishate. Then this verb Devaha. So Deva plus this is 1.1. Then Ekaha, this is 1.1. And Pradhana Kshetrajna Patihi, that is 1.1. Kuneshaha 1.1. Sakaranam. Karanam. This is three. This is a Visheshana. Sakaranam, Karanadip. So this is one. This is 1.1, Prabhuji. Not sure.
Which one?
It's the Karanam. If it is 2.1,
Which means, is it Napunsakalinga or Pullinga?
is Visheshana.
Okay, so here it means
It's napumsakalinga, no?
here it seems to be Napunsakalinga 1.1.
Adipa, this one Karana Adipadipaha.
This is 1.1 to the
Yeah.
whole thing.
Whole thing is on. So that one is should be then in Napumsakalinga, right?
Yes.
And 1.1 and na avyayam cha this is avyayam asya, this is also this is
Asya is a Krishna Nama, Sarvanam, so just skip it.
this is the chit pratyaya, right? Janita is 1.1. Na avyayam cha avyayam adhipaha is 1.2.
One interesting observation just right now is this word is very interesting. Karanadhipadhipaha. Karana means the senses. Adhipa means the presiding deities, the demigods, who are presiding over the senses, like Surya over the eyes. And Adhipa means the Adipa of those Adipa.
Hmm.
Means Lord Vishnu or Lord Krishna, who's ultimately Lord Hrishikesha, we can say, who's ultimately presiding over the presiding deities of the senses. Nice word, isn't it?
Yes.
Karanadhipadhipaha. So, like that. So Lokaram Prabhu and Ojasvi, you will do tomorrow because today is little. Means I don't want to rush when you do, so I also want to give proper time to you also. So we'll take your test tomorrow.
All right.
Yeah. So okay. One last thing. You can stop the recording if you like, Prabhu.